It's recording. And 5, 4, 3.
Oh my god, my pants are stuck on the bottom of the bed. My pants are stuck.
There is, I don't know.
My pants are stuck.
I'm recording here.
Say hi.
Hello. What is your name? I see.
My name is Maggie. I love food.
Okay, so this is dog therapy, okay? Like totally. So now, this is our therapist, Lola.
Hello.
And this is the dog we
Ow!
And this is the dog who needs therapy.
No, I thought I needed therapy.
She's the overloved. She's overloved. Okay, so
Look, get this, look, get this. I want to fight. Oh yeah. Ah!
yeah, go get it. Now we're gonna start with our questions. Where is she going? We need our dog. Whoa! You all saw that, right? You all saw that.
Hello, my baby.
Okay, so now for the questiones.
If you guys have any questions about this dog, right down there.
Comment.
Right down there.
You comment.
So easy. Type. Right, baby.
Yeah, you type on what you call a computer. Look, you see, that's what a computer looks like.
Oh, her breath smells.
On the keyboard,
Look
you
at that.
type a comment.
Get her teeth. Look at her baby teeth.
You get it?
Look at her baby teeth. You want a little chip? No, I don't.
Lick the camera. Lick the camera.
Come here, give me it. Come here.
Lick the camera. Oh! She sneezed on the camera. Sorry, guys. Wait, no, wait.
Say to my baby.
Yes. Up. That's my beautiful looking dog. And her butt.
And my name.
Say hi, beautiful. A beautiful multicolored baby. Ah!